People have been asking me recently. This is our live broadcast. Is it necessary to use it? OBS goes to push knife. The next chapter. I also have this problem. Go make a video and talk about it. OBS live broadcast. It definitely has benefits. First of all, OBS and our computer's live broadcast. For comparison. First of all, it is more professional. It is more scalable. You can also get better live broadcast quality. Its shortcomings are also very obvious. It's more professional. Then it's not as simple as live broadcasting half rhythm. It may be relatively troublesome to set up. That's half the law of live broadcast. What's wrong with it? The first thing is to compare it with the picture of OBS push knife. The OBS picture will be clearer. If you live broadcast half the law, it's a usage rate for computers. The reuse rate will be higher. Sometimes it might. Accompanied by some software instability. OBS is relatively more stable. First of all, for those who have used OBS. OBS is easier to use. Not many problems. Then I will also talk about it next. How to conduct a doing live broadcast on OBS. How to make a setting. First, after you finish rising OBS, we need to set up here. After clicking on the settings on our host page, open it and we can see that there are many push streams. Output these. We're all going to set it up. Let's look at the output first. If the output is turned on by default, it is a simple mode. Let's change it to advanced. Then here we choose Mashi. It would be better if you get stuck first. Just use your free card to go live. Because of its graphics card. Then enter the control words here. For input control we use CBI. Then the bit law is also our horse law. This is also set in the live broadcast management. Set it according to your internet speed. Generally speaking, it is set to 10,000 or 8,000. Of course, if it is lower, it means there is something wrong with your network. We won't be able to get a better ambition. Then since the highest quality is preset here, just configure it to the highest level. Then for audio, select your microphone here. The video here is our key resolution. As for the resolution, set it according to the camera settings you connected to it. Generally speaking, if you use the camera settings, it must be 4K resolution. Then for 4K resolution, it's digital frequency. That's my resolution. Then this FPS. It's your sincerity. Generally speaking, the camera settings may be 30 frames. Better cameras at 60 frames. 4K 60 frames. Then I will set it to 60 frames here first. Then the words inside the hot piece. This is our shortcut key. You can set it according to your own needs. It's all very simple here too. Then in the advanced level, we put this color format NV12. Then natural space 709. Limited color range. Rather than all. All words may cause some viewers to. Its playback device. Its color gamut is not wide enough. This may result in the loss of some colors. There will be color fading. Then the application here is completed. Ready to apply. Next, we need to conduct retreat. A setting for backflow here. If it is turned on by default, what might be the reason for your withdrawal? Some other live streaming platforms like this. Then you can customize it here. Put this server an hour. Fill it in tightly and you can perform a live broadcast with backflow. Then let's go back to this interface here. We take this picture of your camera device. Kaijin comes in. Generally speaking, I use the poster card. Video color shooting equipment. Then confirm and go to color click here. I don't have a camera here. No consecutive cards. Then after you click the color, put this picture of yours. Give it this adjustment. Give it dissatisfaction with your this publishing screen. Then you have to set up your screen. You can actually see it here. Then you can talk about this. Some of its extensions are. It has a green mirror function here. For green mirror, you can add some spicy food here. Like us, if you talk about your camera. There's a setting for matching value. We can add a color spicy. Then your picture quality and color will be better. The directionality of colors will be higher. Including saying that you have a color cast problem. You can also do it here. Make something spicy. In other words, these color angles are correct. And for people who have higher requirements for this voice. Your microphone here. There is also a green mirror here. Microphone green mirror. You can also make a setting. For example, let's take this wool to create life. Then I also have some compressors. If you understand these things, you can set it up if you don't understand. You can also find professionals in this field. Let me help you with debugging. Including the fact that you can add many plugins here. These are some of the benefits that OBS can bring. Then let's talk about this return code. How to get it. Same thing, let's open your live streaming companion. After opening the live streaming companion, you don't need to set anything here. Even the materials here can be damaged. No use anymore. Then we need to have a packet capture software. Go get your refund code. For the other half, if it is used more. Maybe this little Hulu e-commerce company should stop. This software is relatively simple. But its disadvantage is that it charges. You need to pay this membership fee every month. Then if he opens it, just click this. Extract live code. He will hand it back to you here. Just follow him step by step and do it. So here I am using a free software. He is a packet capture tool. The issue software is relatively easy to use. A little complicated. But after we get used to it, it's actually not a big deal if you look at both sides. He just went to capture your network data. Then we can find it in the legal system here. The above is the legal system. You can find him to collect the lock. I shut it down for him. If you open it, you may say it is not this interface. Did you see this above? Once the user shows the law system, lock it for him. RTMPT. This is our network data. Press enter and you will see an interface of choice. Here we use network cables. Live broadcasts generally use stable network cables. So choose this set of network ports. Come double-click on him. He has already started here. This is a piece of data that records the fluctuations of this network. So here we go back to this live broadcast method. In the live broadcast method, you can click to start the live broadcast. Then don't touch anything else here. You don't want to go to this Guanboy either. Wait for him to do this immediately. Wait for him to start this period immediately. Then you can exit this live broadcast in 2 pieces. Because the live broadcast data here has come out. Then if we are here, pull him up here. So what I said above. We find this. Found this. Set starts with this. Then this. CONECT this. What he said after clicking on him. We find the data at the bottom. Go find the one we just wanted. This data of ATMP. Click on him. Then it will jump to this. String here. What we say here. An ATMP address will appear. Then we select him and right-click. Copy his straight here. After copying his straight, you can use a time pad to write it down. In other words, you copy it directly to that. It's the same in OBS too. Let me talk about this here. String and this semicolon. We don't want it. Generally speaking, you live broadcast on a platform. This of yours. The server in the push code. Just fix this. Next time you broadcast this, there's no need to change it either. What we need to change every time is this key. What about this key? The same one here. The data was also captured. At this. What I have here is the one starting with 1999. It's the one at the back. You can take a look. It's in a data packet that starts with something like AFC. He has it. After you finish your example, he's already here. This string address is displayed. Let's put this behind this. Strem this thing. Copy it for him. Copy it in the same way. If you copy it here, there's no need to delete it. So here you go directly. Stick it inside the key. Application. Sure. Then you can just start pushing here. Then if you start pushing, yours will be displayed in the lower right corner of his. A whole live broadcast status. It will show that your CPU is working hard. One of your spies. If it starts broadcasting, there will be one here. Display of forces. Generally speaking, your status is. If the connection is okay, he is a green. If yellow appears, or red words, keep a copy of your network status. Not ideal. Then maybe you want. Probably lower the horses rhythm. In other words, you want to continue your. Conduct an operational. One of the network upgrades. So if this live broadcast. That's how it's set up. It is completely possible to carry out a. Start broadcasting on the stream. Get a better picture now. So if you are concerned about this. If there is anything else you don't understand about OBS live broadcast. You can comment or message me privately. I will reply to you.